Dude. Okay, our sister back there. She's sleeping right now, and we're gonna take this air horn and we're gonna blow it at her so she can freak out when she's sleeping. It's gonna be freaking awesome. These are only $1 at the dollar store, so you can do it to anybody. Yeah, okay. Go.
You guys, what the hell? Stop, it's not even freaking funny, you just